2018 Hyundai Tucson, the Value Edition. Sport alloy wheels. Good tread on the tires, rear bumper protector, tinted windows, dual chrome tip exhaust, backup sensors, rear cargo trunk mat, power tailgate. It's a well-kept gray interior, panoramic sunroof, power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver's seat, blind spot monitor, heated front seats, Apple CarPlay ready to go, backup camera, hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, auto headlights, just over 95,000 miles. Free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio. Come by and see us at U Cars.